Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to add uh, bullet points and numbered lists to your web page using HTML. So first, as always, go to w3schools.com/tryit. Scroll down and go to try it yourself. Delete all the code. We're going to start from scratch. So now I'm going to type some of the basic HTML tags we have, and we learned these tags in the first video I made. So if you don't know these tags, I recommend watching that. So I'll put the link to that video in the description below, and also the link to the editor in the description. So the body tag. Then now we're gonna start the actual lists. So first we'll do the bullet list. So for that it's a UL tag. So we do this UL, and to make it look better we're gonna do tab now. Now you're gonna type out the things you want in the list. So we could do maybe like cars or like types of vehicles. So remember, in between each element you gotta put the tag LI. This stands for list, and this tag tells the browser that's reading the code that everything in the middle of this tag is an element of the list. So cars. We can do different types of vehicles in our list. Then since this is the end of the first element, we're gonna close it with the /li for the closing tag. And we'll do the same thing, different vehicles. Maybe planes. And then maybe boats. So if we run this, it should show bulleted points of all three of these. Yeah, so bullet point, bullet point, bullet point. If you want these to be numbers without putting the actual 1, 2, 3, you do UL. But first remember to close this tag to show that the bulleted list is over. Now we're gonna do the numbered list. For numbered list, it's the same thing as this, but you do the OL tag. So OL, then LI for each element, cars, /li, then planes, closing tag, and then boats. Yes. Okay, so once we run this, it should show this bulleted list, and under it should show the numbered list. Yeah, it is here. So I hope that you liked this video, and I hope it was fun and helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.